Wood in school. Wood can be used in schools in many ways, from building construction to classroom furniture and educational materials. Here are some common uses of wood in schools. Wood in medicine. Wood has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years. In fact, many modern medicines are derived from natural compounds found in plants, including those from various types of wood. Some examples of wood and their medicinal uses are: willow bark. Willow bark contains salicin, a natural pain reliever that is the active ingredient in aspirin. It has been used for centuries to treat pain, fever, and inflammation. Sandalwood. Sandalwood oil is commonly used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. It also has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties and has been used to treat skin conditions such as acne and eczema. Teak. Teak wood contains a compound called lopicol, which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. It has also been used to treat malaria and other tropical diseases. Cedarwood. Cedarwood oil is known for its antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and insect-repelling properties. It has been used to treat skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis, as well as respiratory problems like coughs and bronchitis. Ebony. Ebony wood has been used in traditional African medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including stomach problems, headaches, and respiratory issues. It is important to note that while traditional remedies can be effective, they should not replace modern medical treatments. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using any herbal or natural remedies.